Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on or turn off Snapchat timer. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. First of all guys, let me show you here. I want to take a picture. As you can see guys, a timer it is able from here. It's not here timer. So how can you turn it on? Just simply tap on plus icon. Now as you can see guys, showing here timer option, just simply tap on this. Now I want to take a picture. Let me show you here. Here is your timer. As you can see guys, so the timer is enabled. Now how can you disable it? Just simply tap on this. Now let me show you here. Here is your timer. So you can also increase time from here. And if you want to disable it, just simply tap on cancel. As you can see guys, timer has cancelled. So just simply you have to follow this process, and after that you will be able to turn on or turn off timer on Snapchat. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.